morning mga KaYo. It's been a while na
Very cold.
Hindi kami naka-vlog, so we'll try to vlog today. We're going out for some groceries
Some errands.
and it's kind of cold, 63 degrees Fahrenheit. It's cold for us, I know. Some other countries it's this kind of weather is not that cold to you, but for us in California it's cold already, 63 degrees Fahrenheit. We're used to like 70s weather.
Oh, we are, I think it's worth mentioning, Lalav, that we are in the northern California, so
Yeah,
we're not affected by the fire.
Yeah, we're
but
sorry.
those who were affected,
we're sorry.
hang in there, guys.
Yeah, we're sorry for the Southern California folks, like their houses are burned down. Oh, I'm so sorry for them. And it's not usual, it's winter and there's the fire, so we're praying for you guys. Hope you are okay and everything.
You will be fine.
Yeah, it will be everything will be fine. And for us here in Northern California, we're good, but we're sad also for them.
Yeah, we know people there too.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, see you guys and good to see you, KaYo. So we're here in El Camino, Real.
Lalav, don't be distracted.
We'll make a U-turn.
Don't be distracted. You're vlogging while driving.
Focus on the street. Look forward. Just keep talking.
Unsay pabor mo agi sa ako og shanky dan or
Okay.
Or-
Shinky down and then
kay maagi ni ani man ka no.
yeah.
Mo'y mong
Along
plan?
the way and yeah, magpagas na lang ko da.
Sige, Hillsdale kamo agi mo
Yeah.
imong plan. Okay,
Mhm.
then you should just drop me off po. Shanky for our bread. What do you want?
Oh, the usual, the taro bread.
Taro, and then sa sliced bread dun sa imong ganahan.
The one with raisin.
Okay. I want the plain one kasi I want a sandwich.
Mhm.
Kasi kuwang ato akong grilled sandwich, Lalab.
That's it already. That's grilled sandwich is just cheese and then butter.
Sasakto to kung ibuhat.
Sometimes if you don't have butter, you can use mayonnaise on it. But
I grill one side. Is that correct?
Yeah.
I put butter and then I grill and then did I grill? Pan grilled, is it?
Yeah.
Dayon, I put cheese, then I put ham, and then I put the other bread, and then put butter, and then flip.
Mhm.
Sakto?
Yeah. He was beating the red light, huh? The truck.
May ta sausage ang $5 karon eh.
Oh, ito Friday sale. There was a Safeway, no?
Do you want a sandwich?
Sandwich. I don't know.
Let's make our own.
We'll just have luto lang tayo ng
What
We're
should
buying eggs, right?
we-
So we'll just do scrambled eggs and rice, and I don't know if we have spam or
No, we don't have anything. No spam. Are they on this?
yeah, but it's fine.
I got lost.
Yeah.
Kuan. I want chicken sausage. Adi kung na sausage mo nga $5.
Yeah.
Ganan ko maadtog guys.
Dyson. Oh yes, I can go Dyson now.
Yeah, you can vlog there. There's a lot.
Maybe I can
To
find
vlog.
something for my vlogs, our vlogs.
We need one more mat. No,
What's that?
we need one more mat sa restroom.
Yeah.
Kaya di man ka magmetsa sa tugnaw kay di ka lingkod sa trono. Gosh, I'm so cold and I need kape, but it's okay. I had an early morning meeting, that's why. Early for me, 8:30 a.m.
8:30. Usually you work at 11. Lazy.
No.
I know your mind is not working when you're working early. Kasi Pinoy, we love bread. But dito sa lugar namin, walang Filipino store, malayo. It's like 20 miles from our place. So we'll go to this place like called Shinki.
Shanky, it's a
Shinki?
Chinese.
It's a
Maybe Taiwanese?
Taiwanese bakery. They
Lamig
got good bread too.
Wala lagi lamig na fruits karon no. O strawberry di ay.
Maybe because it's winter.
Winter nga fruits.
So I'll just stay here and then you go buy some bread. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. So after nagpagas, we'll go to Safeway for groceries.
Basta Friday kay sale sa Safeway.
Yeah.
$5
Friday
something.
is our grocery day because tumatiming kami sa sale ng pagkain sa Safeway.
We need a cart. Look, this is putot.
That's okay. That's Starbucks there. These are their products. Ready to eat meals. Gusto namin bumili ng sushi. Sarap yan ah. Tingnan mo yung ginagawa niya lalabas.
Yeah, it's really good, huh?
Naghahanap kami ng foil. Dito lang pala. Ito ang mas mura eh. $3.49. Yan for parchment yan pero ito lang. Oh, that's $2.99. Okay. Yung Reynolds $3.79. So ito lang kinukuha namin.
Looks like pareho kadak asa.
Akalain mo may Longanisa sa Safeway?
A piece sa 4.20. Should we buy?
Sipin mo yan. Yung Safeway, it's an American grocery. Pero may Longanisa sila. Oh my God. Ang tanong, magkano? Ayan. 4 for $20. So, ibig sabihin, $5 yung ano. Not bad. Ito na lang pang breakfast namin ngayon. Oh, thank you Safeway. May Filipino food para dito. Yeah. Love, kuha na lang tayo nitong Longanisa pang breakfast natin ngayon.
Yeah, it's a pill sa 4 for 20.
Yeah, I know, but dito mo palit upat. Uy, usa lang ito paliton. So you can choose 4. Mix, okay. Kuha kami nitong Longanisa. Hello Philippines. Oh, sarap. Sarap to sa ano, sa scrambled egg or sunny side up. Yung long silog. Okay. So ito yung kasama na kukunin namin sa 4 for $20. Pwede pala mix. Itong sea salt and pepper calamari. Paborito din namin calamari. Okay, hanap pa kami ng dalawa para sa ano, para sa 4 for $20. Ito yung kasali nila. Pwede ka wonton soup. And then shrimp miso ramen. Ito na lang kukunin namin. Shrimp miso ramen. And then shrimp wonton soup. Ayan. Okay na. Have you noticed Bossing is scanning the barcode? Because the Safeway has an app for it. You can see it's on sale or what's on sale.
Small
$12.99.
farms, 18 for. Let's just take the brown one. Or use the price.
Okay, let's take the brown egg. Mahal, no? Tingnan niyo.
Mahal
Ubos na ubos yung egg dito
Oh,
sa
there's
kabila.
an 8.99.
Oh, free range. Yeah, we'll get that one. It's cheaper. $8.99. There's $7.99 too.
But that's 12.
That's 12. And that's like 50,
18.
18. Oh, we'll take this one. 18. What did you get? Hold on.
Cheapest.
Cheapest, $5.99. Yeah, good price then.
No, it's expensive.
Yeah, but that's the less price. So, buti na lang yung onion, medyo mura-mura, $3.99. Kuha tayo ng bunch.
Chicken curry niya, curry.
Okay. Kuha tayo ng dalawang potato for the chicken curry. Grapes.
£1, $5.99.
We'll get strawberry.
Okay.
Yeah.
2 pounds is $9.99. 1 pound dito is $5.99. So, kanina?
Kanan na lang. Makasave siguro tayo.
Which one is this?
What's that? That's the russet.
Weigh your russet potatoes. Please touch accept weight. Move your russet potatoes to the bag. 2, 4.
Oh my god, I'm so within the budget.
Yeah, huh?
9.
Hey, you're buying this?
Like 150.
Okay. So 7. We pay $79.47 for $100 budget. So yes,
We're good.
we're good. Good shoppers. Ito yung mga nabili namin. Okay.
Sa Chicago, bumili ako. Dapat hindi ako sa California dapat.
Bumili kami ng loto, super loto.
How to do this? Where's my credit?
You need to press super loto. There. One play.
Quick play.
Yeah, quick play. Purchase. Hello.
Don't know how to
There's your
buy.
ticket there.
Okay.
That's our lucky number.
Good luck to us, Ko.
Oh, yeah.
We're done shopping. Oh, nice car, Tesla red. Happy birthday.
Di sa likod, di hype.
Kari na lang kay mas dali na to ba?
Naipawa na. Paan sa likod.
Yeah. Hold it hand. Sushi. Eggs. And strawberry. Bossing.
Come here, Kay. We go to Daiso.
Oh yeah, we need to go to Daiso. Okay. Now?
Let's just walk.
Yep. Now we're going to Daiso. Whispering whispers.
Gosh, I need to go back to work.
Unsay na diha lalap?
Daghan kayo.
Kanang mga ginagmay nga kuan. Ano ba tag $1?
175 nga.
175. Wow, dili na $1. Nami sud sa Daiso karon. Ano din kayo? Lagyan kasi lang mga cute nga things. Ay, paborito na itong store eh. So, we're checking out every aisle sa ano yung mga mabibili namin. Dito ako ngayon sa something like electronics. Yung mga removable na USB drive. Okay, dito na lang ako. Nahihiya ako mag-video. Maraming tao. Okay, magbabayad na kami sa Daiso. Start na. Ito yung nabili namin, mga kitipay-kitipay.
Not really needed. Where's the thing here? What is this?
The wart na kanang mga pang katong gipat nimo nga ibutang siya diha ba para di siya kalat ba.
See, mararakuha niya. Maabot ni siya 20. Where do you want me to go?
Kas mo
Ilista.
yan. Suwaw man dito. So 175, 250, 325. Yung mga ano lang affordable.
Daghan.
Yeah.
Yun ako daghan.
That's everything. So we paid
Shucks.
$27.24. One bag, please. Okay, bye, Daiso. We're done for the day. Recap: we went to the bank. We went to Shinki, Safeway, and Daiso.
Gas.
And gas pa din, nagpa-gas. And then we're going home.
Need to go back to work.
Go back to work. Lala is going back to work, and then I hope you have a good day because we're having a good day.
Bye.
Bye, mga KaYo.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe. subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator, make it big.